What is up, everyone? This is Jeff with Game Day Legends coming at you with a totally certified retail review. We got the Blaster, the Mega Box, and we got the Premium Box. So we're just going to dive right into it. I have not opened up the Blaster or the Mega Box, so let's take a look at those. You're going to get 6 packs, 4 cards per pack in the Blaster. We're looking for the Ultra Rare Metropolis parallel. And there's some Blaster exclusive platinum parallels that we're looking for. Plus we can look for autographs and memorabilias. So that is the Blaster. The Mega Box, we got 42 cards total. I believe there's 6 packs, 7 cards per pack. We're looking for 1 autograph or memorabilia card. And we're also looking for the Metropolis plus the Mega Box exclusive platinum parallels. And of course, I've already opened up the premium box, but you're going to get 10 packs, 6 cards per pack. We're looking for 1 autograph, 2 memorabilia cards, and a whole lot of number cards. So let's get into it. We'll start with the Blaster, go to the Mega, and then we'll finish up with the premium box. Hope everybody's doing great. Sorry about the no videos this weekend. I did a couple shorts. I wanted to increase my shorts videos and also working on my TikToks and stuff like that. And we are back for some premium videos. We got Totally Certified. Today we're going to have some baseball, some more football. So let's get into it. Ooh, I love the portraits. All right, we got Blake Corum to start out with. Very nice. I like him. And I'm not expecting a whole lot, just a whole lot of fun today. I'm looking for Marvin Harrison Jr. I got Peyton Manning. And let's see who we got here. Chuba Hubbard. And my boy Jalen Hurts. Let's go. All right, the cards look amazing. I'm a fan of Totally Certified. Blasters cost $30. The Mega Boxes were, I believe, $49.99 at Target. All right, we got Adonai Mitchell on our rookie. Nice. And then the platinum was $175, I believe. Josh Jacobs. All these came from Target. Of course, this is where you can only find them. So definitely, hopefully they will have the fat packs this weekend. Looks like we got our mem card in the Blaster. All right, who we got here? We got CJ Stroud on the intriguing players. Nice. Not numbered, but very cool. I love that insert. We'll do a recap at the end. Cade Stover on our rookie. And then on the back, we got Trayvon Walker. And for our mem card, we have, looks like we have a duel. Nice. We got Jaden Daniels and Luke McCaffrey. That is sweet. Of course, these are not from any specific game, but that's all right. That looks totally cool. All right, first hit of the rip. Turned out to be a really nice one. All right, let's see who we got here. We got J.C. Latham on our rookie. Mike Evans on the blue. I wonder if that's numbered. That is. It's going to be out of $3.99. 12 out of $3.99. Very cool. Digging Mike Evans. Definitely a great wide receiver for the Buccaneers. And we got Jacoby Brissett and Montez Sweat. And I can't really tell you what the platinum parallels are and what's not because they all look platinum to me. Oh yeah, there you go. I love the franchise foundations. Brian Thomas Jr. I believe that is not numbered. That is not numbered. All right, and then we got Aiden O'Connell. Is that numbered? That is not numbered, but there's a purple parallel. That right there with the inserts. Then we got a Travis Kelce and a Trey McBride. So in the last pack of the Blaster. So we got 1 number card and a memorabilia card. Not too bad. I wasn't expecting too much. Jordan Travis. Baker Mayfield on the franchise foundations. Nice. And we got Jordan Love, and we got another Baker Mayfield. Sweet. All right. Let's get into the Mega Box. Now here we will be able to get a guaranteed mem or autograph. So let's see what we get. More likely, I'm assuming we're going to get a mem card. I'm just hoping we get a cool Marvin Harrison card. All right, let's get this going. Mega Box. All right, here we go. We got Kamari Lassiter. Oh, and who we got here? We got Joe Burrow on the die cut. Is that numbered? That is. At 139 out of 175. Very cool. All right, we're on the board. Let's go. We got Edgerrin Cooper on the intriguing players. Not numbered. Very nice. Eli Manning. Jalen Hurts. Aiden Hutchinson. And DK Metcalf. All right. Keep it moving. All right. All right, another Cade Stover. And we got Jerzon Newton. Ed Reed. That's cool. On target, Nico Collins. And we got another Mike Evans. Aiden O'Connell. And Kirk Cousins. All right. There you go. Little Michael Penix Jr. Take that, put him up there. First rookie quarterback. All right, Aaron Jones. We got Montez Sweat. Trayvon Walker. Jake Ferguson for your Cowgirls. Devon Achane and Chuba Hubbard. So definitely getting a lot of duplicates from our blaster. And our Harris Robinson. Why couldn't you be Marvin Harrison Jr. From our blaster and our mega? John Lynch. And we got Jordan Love on the foundations, franchise foundations. Very nice. Another Baker Mayfield. We'll take it. Travis Kelce. Trey McBride. And Jacoby Brissett. All right. That feels like a mem card. We got here, we got Jace McClain, Cooper Kupp on the purple, not numbered, very nice. And on target of Brian Thomas Jr., that's sweet. Take that. We got Ramondre Stevenson, Joe Burrow, Najee Harris, and Micah Parsons for your Cowgirls. All right, last pack. Let's get into this. See what we can get. Another mem. We'll take it. Yep. All right, we got Johnny Wilson. Jonathan Brooks on the purple. Jordan Love. Saquon Barkley. Cover athlete of Madden. Cole Kmet. Sam Darnold. And who do we get? We got piece of the game, Kyle Pitts. All right, let's see. That is not numbered. All right, and the enclosed memorabilia is not from any specific game or event, but cool. All right, let's get into the premium box, what we all been waiting for. So definitely Mega Box and Blaster okay. I was pretty happy with them. We got both of them. We got a mem and a number card. Plus, our top rookie was Michael Penix in that mega box. Still no Marvin Harrison. Hopefully that will change here. Hopefully we get awesome autograph in here. All right, let's see what we got. Goes thick, thin, goes thick, goes thick, thin, 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 thin. Okay, so it looks like I got all the thin packs out. Put these over here. Let's keep it moving. You're gonna get a lot of number cards, so hopefully we get a lot of good ones. If not, we're having fun, having a great time. Always appreciate the number cards. We got Tavondre Sweat, Myles Garrett, nice. We got here. You got a John Elway and Max Crosby, Bijan, and Derek Carr. So that was a nice little base bet pack. So get that out of the way. All right, here we go. We got Dejon Edwards on a rookie. Our first, nice. We got a Peyton Manning on the die cut, and that's going to be at a 75. Nice. Put that up there. All right, who we got? We got Certified Tutty of Brock Bowers. Very nice. And that is not numbered. I don't know why those were upside down, but we got Josh Allen and Joe Mixon and Will Levis. All right, here we go. We got Jaquan Jackson, Chris Olave, and we got Drew Brees, AJ Brown, and is numbered to 249. Very nice. Put it over there. There you go. Lamar Jackson and Quentin Johnson. All right. Everybody's having a great Monday. Dylan Lobb. All right, and we got Kool-Aid McKinstry, Gold Team of Xavier Worthy. Not numbered, but very nice. Take that. And our upside down cards, we got Joe Burrow, and we got a, looks like they forgot to put these on the right side up, Michael Pittman Jr. and Chris Godwin. All right, there you go. All right, and we got Jordan Jefferson. And we got another number card, orange, Joe Mixon. This should be at a 99. Nice, we'll take that. All right, looks like we got awesome. We got Bo Nix. I wonder if that's numbered. It is not numbered. Very nice. Put him up there. Sorry, Kyle Pitts. And we got Danny Dimes, Nick Chubb, and Christian McCaffrey. All right. All right, we got Jamari Thrash, Roman Wilson. Ooh, nice. Michael Penix. And that is going to be out of 249. Sweet. Put him over there. Sorry. AJ Brown. And then we got Chris Olave, Myles Garrett, and Brock Purdy. All right. 4 more packs to go. The last 3 are going to be our mem and our autograph. Isaac. We got here Debo. Nice. We'll take that. And that is going to be numbered out of 149. Sweet. Ran out of room. We got a Sunday special of AJ Brown. Not numbered. And we got a Saquon Barkley on the certified tutty. That is going to be out of 199. Nice. And let's see who we got here. We got Brees Hall and Tony Pollard. All right. Let's go. Here we go. There you go. There's my boy, Marvin Harrison Jr. showing up. Let's go. All right. And then we got a Jonathan Taylor. Austin Eckler. Cooper Kupp. And a New York Giants of Tyrone Tracy Jr. Oh, nice. That's a nice patch. It's a number patch with the blue. So 2 color. Nice. We'll take it. That's going to be out of 56 out of 99. Sweet. All right. Put him over here. Sorry about that. No more room. All right. Let's get these backward cards up the front. All right. Here we go. Khalil Mack. I wonder if this was numbered. That was 249. Khalil Mack. All right, and we got Derrick Henry, Eric All, Jermaine Burton. Is that numbered? Yeah, 249. Peyton Manning, and then our next one is another Giant rookie, Malik Neighbors. Let's go. Just a 1 color, but that's sweet. We'll take it. 26 out of 75. Sweet. All right, there you go. And for the big boy, a little autograph action. Let's see who we got here. Got Roma Dunze right there. Terry Scary McLaurin. Or Scary Terry McLaurin. Tua. James Cook. And Roma Dunze. Devin Hester, and who we have here for the Saints? We got Jamal Williams. All right, there you go. All right, and that is 70 out of 100. So we got Jamal Williams, and we got a Malik Neighbors, and 2 color patch on Tyrone Tracy Jr. Sweet. And then we got Marvin Harrison and a whole bunch of number cards. Jaden Daniels, Luke McCaffrey dual patch, Bo Nix, Joe Mixon. We got a Michael Penix number card. I think we did pretty well. You guys let me know what you guys think. I am totally excited about Totally Certified. I definitely like all the hits. Definitely premium boxes are the way to go. Unfortunately, they're not available. So mega boxes and blasters are here. Maybe fat packs will be in store this week. Look out for my shorts on my restock videos. That will let you know if they're in store. You guys have a great night. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace.